hi the kids. Say hi, kids. So kids, today we got fidget spinners. Are you excited? We got 1, 2, 3, 4 fidget spinners, huh? We're gonna play with our fidget spinners today, you guys. And if you guys are interested in these fidget spinners and think they're pretty cool, which they are, you can find out where we got them in the link down below. Don't forget, come mama. Say these things spin and spin and spin. You wanna open one or open one? Okay. They spin for 6 minutes, guys.
And it stops spinning?
It never stops spinning. You can go clean up and come back and it still be spinning. Cool little packaging comes in. Look at that. Nice little leather package. It has a little button in there so it don't fall out. Oh, this is nice. It's nice and heavy, huh, Mama? Whoa, look at this, Mama, look. What? Nice and smooth.
Mommy, where's the other one?
You can't get yours out? Here, let me spin this one while I help you.
I got it.
Oh, you got it? So we just fidget spinning, whoop, whoop.
Open it.
Nice little packaging that comes in. Oh, look at you, got yours.
Open it.
Wow. Oh, look at that. That's so cool, guys. You see how it's like strapped in there? You can use your little pouches for your other fidgets, huh, Mama? Let me see you work that thing. What? Go, Mama. Look, it's never gonna stop. Watch, you can spin it forever. Okay, let them spin, and we'll come back to them after a while, and we'll open these ones. Which one do you want to open? The orange one? Cool. And I'll open this one. What is it, like soccer balls on here?
Yeah.
Imani has the orange one. Fidget spinners. These are so cool. Remember, guys, if you want your fidget spinner that never stops fidget spinning, look in the link down below. You'll find out where we got our fidget spinners. Ooh, this one goes fast too, Mama. Look at that. It's nice and smooth. Oh, you stopped that one? Look at mine still going, you guys.
Look at mine
Still going. Yeah, mine. You started yours up again. Ooh, want to get this one going for me down there? Oh, cool.
You going home?
That is so cool. Oh, the orange one stopped. You see mine still going, you guys? It's not going to stop. Oh, why you stop it? Why you stop it? Come on, let's see what these things can do. I think we can put them on our knees.
That one.
Oh, that one's yours? Okay. These things are heavy duty, guys. Whoa. Let's see how long this spins, okay? Wow, these things are really nice. Look at that.
I got a broke mine.
So cool. You like it?
I want this.
You want that one too? Spin them, spin them. You hear that thing? That thing goes fast, man. You want to put yours on top of your box? Oh, you're putting them like that? Whoa, cool. What? Imani is over here double fidget spinning. That is so cool, Mama. That top one will not stop, huh? And this thing's still going over here. You think you could do this one with the orange one together?
Yeah.
Try to teach me how. You want to spin this one on the box while you do those two together?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I'll do it that way.
Whoa, whoa. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Still spinning. So we just fidget spin. Oh man. Mom, these are some really nice fidgets. Oh my god, you got all 3 of them? Oh my god. You think we can get the orange one to go? Let's see. Oh man, no! This one's still going. These things are nice. Oh, you get your little toes out of here. These are nice. Nice fidget spinners. Oh, let's see if these two will go together. Whoa! You gonna do it? Alright, you do those two, I'll do these two. Look, this is how I did it. Oh, there you go. There you go. Yeah. Oh.
Mine's stuck up.
Did it. Alright, bye everyone. Thanks for watching. Say bye. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, everyone. Thank you.
Mommy, here go.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Ooh, you dancing, Mama?
Oh.
Mommy.